Hi, my name's Jessica, and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials.
When I was living in downtown Chicago, I had a studio apartment with like no drawer space, and I was always struggling with where to put things. Well, I have some tricks to help you if you are limited on drawer space. These bad boys are from iDesign, and they can be found exclusively at Ulta Beauty. Seriously, these are drawers that you can add to any cabinet. And look at this, you have a drawer. Is that not insane? Now, what I love about them, any product from the Onyx collection line fits on top. Look at that. So they have so many fun products that you can add, stack on top, and look at this. You can create an entire beauty center with drawers in your home. So there are the two types of drawers from the Onyx collection. And this first one, I wanted to show you just a little bit of what's inside. So the bottom drawer is a deeper drawer. This is perfect if you're thinking about like your makeup. These can be like your powders, your foundations, anything that's a little bigger. The middle drawer is just completely open, okay? And the reason why I say that is because the top drawer has a divider right in the middle. This is great for brushes. Like, look, you can keep your brushes tidy. You can do this for eyeliner. This could be for like your jade roller, any of those like exfoliating things. And it is a narrow drawer, which is perfect. Look at that. Boom. The other drawer from iDesign Onyx collection is a little wider. So this is good for some of those cabinets that you might not be able to adjust the shelves just because it's not as tall. But you have the first drawer, which is big and it's deep, which is perfect. Look at this. All of your lotions. Look at that. Boom. So nice. Then the other two drawers are the same size, you can see, and these are perfect. You know, you have deodorant, you have your toothpaste. Look at that. Then you can add products like this little caddy that can hold makeup. You can also add products like this little caddy that holds lipstick. These products are perfect if you need to add some drawer storage to your space, but don't have any room to add anything that has drawers. These products fit in cabinets, which is why I love them so much. You can get them exclusively at Ulta Beauty from iDesign. Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.